Hi there, hi boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle. Yes, the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's still Friday, August the 5th, 2022, almost weekend, and I've already solved two puzzles in this edition, the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. And two puzzles are left, the tectonic and the binary. Yes, binary time. And this will be number 4968. 4968. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no, double O. Here one, there one, double one. Here no, there no, double O. Here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one, double one. Here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one, double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one, double one, here no, there no, double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Okay. Then, yeah, we need to compare, I think. We need to compare. Well, not true. 1, 2, 3, 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then those two boxes should be an O. 3 O's in a row, in this row, is not allowed. One of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be an O. Okay. Then. Yeah. And look. This column and the column next. Look to those. Here no, and there no. I cannot place the O there. Otherwise, we have identical columns. So this should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Okay. Then, look. Also, this column and the last column. Look to the ones. Here one. Oh, wait. Oh, I've already filled this one. Okay. No. Almost. No. Wrong. Well, seems I need to compare. Let me see if I can find something here. Yeah. This row and the last row. 0011, 0011, 0011, empty box. So we need to switch those two digits. We have 1 here, this should be an O. We have O here, this should be a 1. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Alright, then. How about those two columns? Well. Look to this first column and this column. To the O's. Here we have an O, there an O, and here an O. Well, I cannot place the fourth O, cannot place the O there. Otherwise, we have identical columns. So this box should be a 1. Okay, 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And now, and now. Double one. Do we have a double one? I cannot double O here. Here we have a double O. No, I need to compare the rows, I believe. Double O. Oh, no. Here. Double one. Yeah, this row and that row. 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 empty box. So we need to switch those two digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 1 2 3 4 1, so the rest are O's. 1 2 3 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Finish in 5 minutes. Wow. A lot of comparing, but we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the last puzzle, a taxonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.